Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll tell you what is the next step after receiving TCS offer letter, how to accept TCS offer letter, in how many days we need to accept TCS offer letter, how to complete document verification round, what is NSR, how to register for NSR, how to get 12-digit NSR number, is NSR mandatory to join TCS, how to complete background check, what certification details should we mention in this certification details. I'll give you a step by step guide to complete document verification round, so no need to worry, but watch full video for better understanding. So let's get started. So first let me tell you how to accept TCS offer letter. So when you'll uh, log in your TCS next step portal, then you will be redirected to this page. This is my next step portal. Let me zoom for you. So I zoomed in. Now here you can see there are lot of tabs, and there is one more tab, extra tab, offer letter. So when you will receive your TCS offer letter, then this tab will be here. Okay, here you can see you will find two options. First one is accept offer letter, second one is download offer letter. But here you can see there is no option for accept offer letter, because I already accepted the TCS offer letter, so there is no option. So I can only download the offer letter. So now let me tell you in how many days you need to accept TCS offer letter. So within 7 days you need to accept TCS offer letter after receiving the TCS offer letter. If you will not accept TCS offer letter within 7 days, then they will assume you are not interested and they will revoke your offer letter. So this is first thing. If you will check here track my application, so you can see lot of things like here you can see offer letter generated, after that offer letter accepted, then ILP eligible, ILP schedule, after that joining letter. So these are the steps. Now let me tell you, first let me tell you what is NSR and how to register for NSR. So if you'll click here, you will just hover here, ILP corner, here you can see one option in the last, NSR, National Skills Registry. When you click here, then you can find lot of things here. You can see after successful registering with National Skills Registry NSR, please accept the declaration below and submit your 12 digit NSR IT pin. Okay, digit IT pin. So how to generate this 12 digit pin, I'll tell you in this video. And here you can see you need to enter your 12 digit NSR, and then you need to submit here. Okay, so how to register for NSR, let me tell you. So when I'll provide link in the description box, then you will find when you click on the link, then you will find this page. Let me zoom this. I'll provide link in the description box, no need to worry. Okay, so this is the official website of NSR. So here what they give complete guide. Here just you need to click here, register now. When you click here register now, then this page will be reloaded. Here you can see lot of things. Here just read all the things which are mandatory. These are the mandatory documents to register for NSR, so please keep ready these documents. After that just scroll. After that you need to click here agree. Don't click I disagree. Okay, click here agree. After that click here submit. Well, you'll click here, then this page will be reloaded. Here you need to enter all the details, fill all the details there. This is very long form, but you need to fill. Okay, and NSR is mandatory to join TCS. Even lot of all the big companies like Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys, all the Wipro, all the big companies, before joining all the big companies you must register with NSR. So you need to, after filling all the details, you need to click save and continue. Then next page will be reloaded. You need to click save and submit. Okay, when you'll submit, then you will receive one more this NSR. Okay, this is acknowledgement receipt. So this is just sample. Okay, here you can see here you will they will mention your name. After that they will mention your IT pin. This is the 12 digit IT pin. This is the 12 digit IT pin. You need to enter this 12 digit IT pin there on the next step portal. Okay, so while filling this form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box. Okay, so you need to enter this 12 digit IT pin here. Okay, so I told you how to register for NSR, and this is compulsory step. Okay, before joining the TCS, and you must complete this step before joining TCS. Okay, before joining TCS. Now let me tell you what is background check. uh, how to complete this process. So when you click here background check, then this page will be reloaded. So here you can see lot of things. Let me zoom out. This is very large. Yeah, here you can see. First you need to initiate background check. I have completed this. After that you need to fill background check form. This is very easy. After that, this is important step, and this will take time consuming. Okay, and here you need to click here, upload background check document. Just click here. After that, these are the instructions you can read. After that, and you can here upload documents. Click here. Here you need to enter all the things. Here you can see NSR card. So this is the NSR card. I already told in this video. Okay, this is NSR card. When you submit the form, then you will receive this card. So okay, so here you can upload this. So after that, you need to enter your birth certificate. But if you don't have your birth certificate, or if you have your birth certificate but your name is not in the birth certificate, or your birth certificate is in your regional language, then you need to submit birth affidavit. So how to receive birth affidavit? Just go in cyber cafe and they will tell you how to receive, how to make birth affidavit. Okay, no need to worry. So after that you need to fill all the forms, all the documents. These are the documents. Okay, so just upload all the documents, save, and okay, after that you can find all the things here. When you click next, so here you need to enter some more documents, graduation mark sheet. You can all the things, find all the things. Okay, just upload all the things. After that, click here submit. Once you will click here submit, then you are done. Okay, now let me tell you what you have to mention in the background check. This is the background check here. When you click here background, sorry, not background check, what is it? You mention is certification details. This is the certification details. You need to upload all the certificates which you have. Like if you have Udemy certificates, if you have any certificate, just upload here. Okay, here you can upload all the certificates and submit certification. Okay, if you don't have any certificate, no need to worry. This is mandatory step, not sorry, this is not mandatory step. This is just optional. If you don't have any certificate, no need to worry. Okay, now let me tell you, if you have any doubt, no need to worry. TCS will schedule a meeting before joining TCS. Okay, once you will receive your offer letter, after 1 week they will send you like mail like this. If you here you can see I got mail from TCS. They schedule a meeting. In this meeting they will explain all the things. What is explore overview, how to complete document process, how to, what details about the ID check through web. They will explain all the things in the meeting. Okay, and they will conduct 2 to 3 meetings before joining TCS. So don't worry, if you have any doubt, they will schedule you meeting and you can ask all the doubts in the meeting. So no need to worry. Okay, don't take any tension. So this is the update from my side. I think background check I have covered, NSR covered, how to complete document verification I have covered, in how many days. Yeah, I have completed all the things. Okay, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box, and you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. And please like this video if you think, because your one like really motivate me to work hard for you. So please like this video. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.